Hi there, it's me, Faith, and I'm making a war noise and keep watching Nick Jr. See you later.